Handling international compensation can be a complex task for businesses, especially if you're hiring talent from all over the world. That's where Oyster comes in, a tool that simplifies paying international employees and contractors. If you're new to the platform or just trying to figure out how it works, stick around because I'm going to break down how you can handle international compensation with Oyster, step by step. So, what exactly does Oyster do? Simply put, it lets companies hire global talent and manage international payroll, taxes, and benefits in an efficient, compliant manner. This means you can hire employees anywhere in the world without needing to set up a legal entity in each country, which can save you a lot of time and headaches. When you first sign up for Oyster, one of the first things you'll notice is how easy it is to onboard employees. You can invite your international team members into the platform, set their salary, and Oyster will automatically calculate their compensation in the local currency while handling any required taxes and deductions. The best part? You don't need to worry about compliance or keeping track of ever-changing laws across different countries. Oyster does that for you. Oyster doesn't just handle payroll, it also manages the whole process of benefits. Offering benefits to international employees can be tricky, especially if you're dealing with employees in different countries. What's covered in one country might not be available in another, and navigating that can be time-consuming. But Oyster's platform allows you to provide benefits to employees in over 100 countries, including health insurance, retirement plans, and more. You can easily customize benefits based on the location of your team members. Another powerful feature of Oyster is its focus on compliance. Managing international compensation can quickly become a legal nightmare if you're not familiar with each country's labor laws. With Oyster, you get full legal compliance in over 180 countries. The platform stays up to date with the latest tax rules, local labor laws, and requirements, so you don't have to. This peace of mind means you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about international employment regulations. Now, if you're wondering how you can try this software out for yourself, here's the exciting part. You can get Oyster completely free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. So if you're curious about how to streamline your international compensation and payroll, this is the perfect opportunity. One more thing to keep in mind when using Oyster is the flexibility it provides in terms of employment types. Whether you're hiring full-time employees or part-time contractors, Oyster can help you manage both types of international compensation. You can easily create contracts, set pay cycles, and make payments in your employees' local currency. All of this is backed by Oyster's simple-to-use interface, which is designed to make your life easier. You don't need to be a payroll expert to navigate the system. It's built with businesses of all sizes in mind. And the customer support is excellent, so if you have any questions or run into issues, Oyster is there to help. So, in summary, if you want to handle international compensation with ease, Oyster is a powerful platform that automates the complicated aspects of global payroll, taxes, compliance, and benefits. It makes hiring and paying international employees easier and more efficient. And remember, you can take advantage of our exclusive and extended free trial of Oyster simply by clicking the first link in the description below. So go ahead and give it a try and see how it can help your business scale globally without the stress.